Yep, honeybees are working alive today. Thought I'd give you a little garden update. We had a big rain last night, as you can see, and I just thought I might go out in the garden and do a few things, but you can see where I tracked off in there and it didn't work out real well. Welcome back. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Thank you for watching these videos. Hope it helps somebody out. It's been 3 days since we put the tomato seeds in the paper towel, and the moist paper towel, and put them in the bag. We're going to go in just a minute and see how that worked out. I thought I'd give you a little brief update out here. Here's the onions that we planted last week, and as you can see, they are doing spectacular. I came in, I actually planted some more down on the other end, 3 or 4 more bundles, but these are the original ones that we planted, and you saw in the last video. Still don't have any potatoes coming up over here, but I suspect it'll be soon. But man, look at those onions. I went through right before the last rain, which is a few days ago. We had one last night, but a few days ago I went through and dropped about a quarter of a teaspoon, a teaspoon of triple 13 down each one of these little slits, and fertilize these things. And the next time I fertilize them, I'm going to fertilize them out of the drip irrigation. But boy, these things are doing spectacular, and I'm really pleased. So another little thing we got going over here, as you can see, our cold frame is exploding. Those are radishes, and these are mixed greens over here. We're fixing to have a batch of these for supper here in a little bit. Carrots are kind of sitting there. We got a few beets in here. I don't know if they're going to make. These radishes have bolted on me, and I'm going to pull these out. As you can see, they're not going to do anything, so I'm going to pull them out, and we're going to have some greens for supper tonight. Probably some wilted lettuce and onions. If you've never had that, it's fabulous. You pour hot bacon grease over these and kind of wilt them, and boy, it's great. I may show you that. But over here, this is the other raised bed that I had, and I've grown peppers in here and things like that over the past several years. I got in here and cleaned this out real good, and it's ready to plant, but we're just a little bit early yet. But I'm going to amend this dirt a little bit and fertilize this, and I'm going to make this strictly a salad bed. We're going to put lettuces and arugulas and things like that in there. Probably put a few onions in there, some stuff like that. But this is dirt that's been fortified with rabbit manure for 2 years, and it ought to be really good and ready. But we're going to put some fertilizer in it. I am going to add some dirt to it, some compost to it, and help it along a little bit. But we're going to grow nothing but salad fixings in this for the next couple of months, and that way we can have fresh salad. I'll put some lettuce in there and just all kinds of things. I'll probably put some radishes in there and some stuff like that, maybe a few beets or something, but that's the plan. But right now, let's go in the house and let's look at the and see how the seeds have sprouted in the homemade greenhouse, so to speak. All right, here's our Monte Carlo tomatoes, and we're going to find out together if the old Alabama gardener's trick in fooling Mother Nature really works. There's our paper towel. Oh, let me zoom you in here. Look at that. Folks, we got a tomato plant already there. There's another one there. All of them have exploded. All of them have taken off. This saved us anywhere from a week to 10 days by doing it this way. Yeah, there's a bunch of tomatoes in here. And that's just the first layer that we've got. Very well pleased. Very well pleased. Let's put these boogers in a pot. I think I can get away with this. Wife's not home, so I can do this on the kitchen table. Don't tell. We're just going to take a pencil or something. We'll make us a little hole in each one of these, like so. And then we're going to gently, and I do mean gently, that one don't want to let go. That one has already grown into the paper towel. We're going to gently stick him in the hole, see? Here's another one that's grown into the paper towel. Look at the root on that thing. You see that? He's hunting something. At least we know our seed was good. I'm going to have to give him a little bit bigger, deeper hole. And this almost looks like a taproot. He's got little fibers coming out of him, so out of that long taproot. Here's another one. I'm really amazed at this. Sorry for the shabby camera work. I don't know if you can see the little hairs on those or not, but they're really as much of that in there as you can. If these things have long roots on them like that, I'm gonna have to, I might have broke him, I don't know. We'll stick him in there and see. This is kind of delicate. Probably need a pair of tweezers, but I'm not going to do it. The old Alabama gardener. If you ain't checking his channel out, you ought to. These older gentlemen that's been gardening for a long time, folks, are a wealth of information. And you'd be surprised at the people that don't have a clue about a garden, doing anything in a garden. And I hope it never comes to it, but there might come a time when we all need a garden. I do it for enjoyment. I like it. It's amazing to me that that little seed that we planted there 3 days ago has already burst into life. And there's that one seed is going to produce thousands of seeds, I guess, if you will. But that one there, it grew through the paper towel. I probably could have done this 2 days ago. But we're gonna do the rest of our seeds this way. We're about 3 weeks out from our last frost date now. 2.5, 3 weeks. And these will probably be a little bit small, but they'll be okay. We should be able to plant these around April 15th. But anyway, that's the drill, if you will. Well, hopefully we all learned something together. Just a short video today. Not much gardening going on, mainly seed starting. We'll water these and we'll take them and put them on the heat mat and put the grow light on them. And I'll update you as these begin to grow and begin to get bigger. And hopefully we'll have some Monte Carlo tomatoes. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for coming by. Everybody stay safe. See ya.